Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support जो आपने मुझे मेरे लास्ट वीडियो में दिया है. I'm really grateful. I'm really happy and that मुझे अच्छा ही response मिला with my comeback. So thank you so much. So आज का जो वीडियो है वो है some skin care and makeup essentials that I like to take along with me while I'm traveling. So without further ado, I would straightly jump into the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and अंत तक देखिए video till the end, so I'll be really happy. I'll start my video by saying that traveling के लिए ना हमेशा मुझे एक बैकपैक पसंद आता है because मेरा बैकपैक it houses my laptop as well as all the pouches that I carry along with me. उसके अलावा मेरे बेटे की चीज़ें भी उसमें रह जाती हैं, तो मुझे बैकपैक एंड इट्स नॉट हार्श ऑन माई शोल्डर्स. सो बैकपैक मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत ईजी बैग है टू कैरी अलॉन्ग व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग. सो मेरे बैकपैक में मैं हमेशा इस तरह के पाउचेस में चीज़ें रखती हूँ. आई कीप थिंग्स लाइक दिस इन पाउचेस एंड देन आई पुट देम इन माई बैकपैक. तो okay, so the first thing first, I always carry a dry shampoo which is not there with me right now because मैं घर पे हूँ and I'm not traveling anywhere. Very easy to apply. Roots पे आप apply करके greasy हो जाता है, तो then you just mess it up like this and your hair is again fluffy. So dry shampoo, a hair spray, very important. hair spray मेरे लिए बहुत important है क्योंकि मेरे बाल बहुत frizzy हो जाते हैं. कुछ भी हेयर स्टाइल करूँ तो ये जो सामने के मेरे हैं कर्ल्स लाइक द बेबी हेयर्स, वो प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. सो व्हाट आई डू इज टेक माई हेयर स्प्रे, स्प्रे इट लाइक दिस अ लिटिल बिट एंड बस दैट्स व्हाट आई डू एंड मेरे बेबी हेयर गायब हो जाते हैं. हेयर स्प्रे एंड अ हेयर सीरम. These are the three things that I carry for my hair because मेरे लिए वो essentials हैं. People do carry their shampoos and conditioners and stuff like that, but मैं नहीं करती हूँ carry because if I'm going for a long trip, for a 15 days trip or so, then I do carry. But 7-8 दिन के लिए या 5 दिन के लिए मैं नहीं carry करती हूँ because it's again excess luggage. उसके अलावा I'll come down to the face and the skin care things that I do carry with me. A toning gel and wash. So this is a wash and a toner. This is in a gel form. This is from Oriflame. This is a tea tree and rosemary toner and washing gel. Very nice, very soothing, very calming. Makeup के बाद if you're removing your makeup, I do like to remove it with this, and then I use my wet tissues to remove my makeup. I don't prefer using micellar water on my skin because it doesn't suit me or any other makeup removing things. मुझे सूट नहीं करता है, तो I always prefer using wet tissues. मेरा मेकअप निकल जाता है. I don't know but मेरा मेकअप निकल जाता है with wet tissues. They're good for me. And उसके बाद again I wash my face again with this so that it just calms down. Next, a toner. This is my rose petal Jiva Ayurveda rose petal water. This is a rose water toner. This is very good. I have been using it for a very long time now. My new obsession, the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Soothing and Radiant Serum. Chotu mini travel pack, very easy to carry. So I do carry this serum. उसके अलावा I carry another serum. It's one of my favorite serums as well. This is my NY Bay Skinfident Shining as a Sitcom Star Face Serum with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid do suit my skin a lot, so I prefer using serums with salicylic acids. And NY Bay का ये serum मुझे बहुत सूट करता है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. All these products are really affordable, very very affordable products, and मुझे affordable products पसंद है. I don't know the reason behind it, but I like products that are affordable, mostly that are good for my skin. a Vaseline, sorry, a chotu wala Vaseline. Very important again, Vaseline can be used as a moisturizer, it can be used for your feet, for your hands, for everything, for your lips if you are getting chapped. So a Vaseline, this is the new Vaseline, I haven't opened it yet. So Vaseline, a lip balm, this is very important. I use this Wadi Herbals lip balm. I love the smell of it, but I do use it always. वेरियस फ्लेवर्स का यूज़ करती हूँ वादी हर्बल का लिप बाम. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड इट डज मेक्स माई लिप्स very very soft and prepped. So this is the lip balm that I use, and a Nivea Aloe Hydration Skin Cream. So this is a moisturizer, moisturizing cream. So I do use it also. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है because I have been using Nivea Aloe Hydration Cream for a very long time. This is a new one, refilled again. So this is a good one, good cream. I've been using it for a long time. So yeah. So these are the skin things that I take with me. I do take a sunscreen with me because sunscreen is really important. You are on a vacation, you're at home, you're going out, sunscreen is really important. I use the Wow Science wala sunscreen. I'll put the image somewhere on the screen. I have ordered it because my thing was over and I didn't have it. I have reordered it, so I'll put this screenshot somewhere on the screen to just let you know what is the sunscreen that I use. उसके अलावा मेरे मेरे जो ट्रैवल बैग में ना हमेशा क्लचर और रबर बैंड रहता ही रहता है. इट वॉज देयर, सो आई फेल्ट लाइक शोइंग इट टू यू. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेरे लिए रबर बैंड्स, मैंने स्क्रंचीज एंड क्लचर्स, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हर पाउच जिसमें मेरा मेकअप होता है उसमें रहता ही है एक ब्लैक क्लचर एंड रबर बैंड्स, न्यूट्रल कलर का रबर बैंड्स. This is my most favorite tool ever. This is my eyelash curler. I love my eyelashes. I don't know why, but I do love my eyelashes. तो eyelash curler हमेशा रहता है मेरे पास, and I do curl my lashes. It's easy, handy. This is from Vega. Yeah, this थोड़ी देर ज़्यादा देर, but yeah, this is the one tool that I carry. So for traveling मुझे brushes and beauty blenders ज़्यादा carry करना नहीं पसंद because it takes space and I can work with my hands. The two things that I carry with me, this Chotu beauty blender just for my under eye stuffs and a spoolie. As I have already told you in my last video that I am crazy for spoolies. जहाँ भी मुझे अच्छा खासा स्पूली दिखता है मैं ले आती हूँ. दिस इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड दिस छोटू ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. दीज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट आई कैरी इन माई makeup bag, my travel makeup bag. I don't carry brushes and other things. So उसके अलावा a small deodorant, a small deodorant का pack, easy, handy, bag में easily रह जाता है, doesn't take space, a lot of space. A bindi ka packet. I love putting bindis, especially red bindis, so it's always there. उसके अलावा this is accessories का box है मेरा जो change होता रहता है. The accessories in it does change but mostly similar type of accessories रहता है. So again you will find a scrunchie in my thing. I do carry black elastic rubber bands like this. Sometimes I don't know, I have a habit. मम्मा से मुझे ये habit आया है तो मम्मा को ये पसंद था तो मेरे को भी habit है तो मैं ये भी कैरी करती हूँ. बॉबी पिन्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 4 है यहाँ पे, बहुत सारे होते हैं मोस्टली. सेफ्टी पिन्स भी होते हैं. सो सेफ्टी पिन्स एंड बॉबी पिन्स मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Some hair clips like this, some golden and silver hair clips like this, just to give a touch of glamour to my hair. Yeah, some hair clips like this, small little hair clips. न्यूट्रल सा चेन और लाइक अ पेंडेंट चेन ऑक्सीडाइज सिल्वर का. मुझे ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं एक न्यूट्रल सा कैरी करती हूँ जो मैं सबके साथ पहन सकती हूँ, हर एक कपड़े के साथ, लाइक इंडियन वेस्टर्न कुछ भी हो, लेकिन मैं पहन सकती हूँ. तो मैं एक न्यूट्रल सा कैरी करती हूँ. आई कैरी अ पर्ल इयरिंग. आई रियली लव दीज. आई कैरी अ पर्ल इयरिंग बिकॉज पर्ल गोज विथ एवरीथिंग. And again I carry two oxidized silver का earring. It goes with Indian, it goes with Western, it goes with everything. So मुझे अच्छा लगता है कैरी करना ये सारी चीज़ें for my essentials, like skin care, accessories तो आपको दिखा दिया मैंने. The next thing that I'll move on is to my makeup. I don't carry a lot of makeup though, but there are still a lot. But I like to carry makeup that are while I'm traveling, especially that are in like combo में आता है. जैसे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. I have to take out everything. So as I've always, okay, so one thing is left from my for the accessories or the tools that I carry. I do carry a razor, a Twinkie razor. It's very easy for अगर आपका eyebrow का थोड़ा सा करना है तो you can do your eyebrow or your upper lips or your peach fuzz. So Twinkie razor also I do carry with me. हो गया. And definitely a sindoor, a liquid sindoor. खत्म हो गया almost, but a liquid sindoor. Yeah, I carry these. These are the normal things like the skin care, the accessories part, the hair care part. Now I'll come down to the makeup. As I told, I don't use foundation or a lot of base while I am on a holiday or stuff. So what I do is I apply the serum, I apply a moisturizer, sunscreen के बाद I apply the serum, this moisturizer, a lip balm, and then I move on to a primer. So this is also a Chotu travel pack. This is NY Bay brightening primer. This primer is actually not a mattifying primer. I know you can't see it, but this doesn't mattify your skin. Rather, it gives a little shine to it. It's a brightening primer. So this is not a mattifying primer. So I like this one because मुझे थोड़ा glow करना, just to glow a little, मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. So I do carry this. इसके बाद I carry my Insight HD concealer with me. Again, छोटा, सुंदर, affordable and very easy to use concealer. So can you see? It is very, very, very good. This concealer is really good. It works exactly like on my skin. I'm talking about my skin. I don't know about others, but for me it does works like the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah, it works like that for me. So this is the Insight HD Conceal High Definition Concealer. This I carry with me. The next thing I do is powder my face with the Insight Flawless Matte Finishing Loose Powder, HD Loose Powder. I don't use compact while I am traveling because you have to reapply compact with humidity and all. आपको reapply करना पड़ता है. But if you are using loose powder, you don't need to reapply it very often. So ये रह जाता है, टिकता है चेहरे पे. So I do use a loose powder. If I am not in a mood to do a lot of makeup, then I use a tint. So this is my In Color Wine Lip Tint, lip and cheek tint. It comes in a form of a lipstick doe foot applicator. You take a little, put it on your lips, put it on your cheeks, some on your eyes, and you are sorted. This is when I am not in a mood to apply a lot of makeup. If I am in a mood to apply a lot of makeup, then there are things like this Ronzile Cosmetic Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. This is a quick dry eyeshadow. the only thing you need to do, this is also with the doe food applicator, only need to do is like this, थोड़ा सा blend कर दो and you are done. It just dries like this. So अगर थोड़ा सा मुझे रात को मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ या रात को कहीं we are going out for dinner or to a party or anywhere, so I use this. And there are some blushed nude का जो SFR palette मैंने आपको दिखाया था. It's very handy to carry. I carry small palettes like this. I don't carry big palettes. Mostly I don't carry palettes, but if I have to carry, I do carry these kind of palettes, because इसमें you will find a red, like a brick color. You will find a purple. You will find black. So if you are in a mood to do smoky eyes, you can do with these colors. So then this is also very handy. This is very small and it's very good. नया है but I really like it. मुझे छोटे जो मिनी पैक्स आते हैं, I have one ELF का बाइट साइज पैलेट, उसका 4 ही होता है, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है because it's very easy to carry. So if I'm in a mood to do contouring, highlighting and blush, so this is the palette that I always carry when I'm traveling. This is the Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette 02 Vivid Victory. It has a beautiful pink, it's not a pink, a dusky pink shade for blush. Beautiful. It has a beautiful highlighter and it has a contour color. This is very handy. You can put it in your purse also while you are going out, and it comes really handy. So for me, highlighting is always very, I love highlighters. तो मेरे बैग में highlighters 2 या 3 टाइप के तो आपको मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे, चाहे वो ट्रैवल के लिए हो या डेली यूज़ के लिए हो या whatever. So these are the 2 highlights. Again, my favorite, Master Chrome by Maybelline. My favorite powder highlight, very nice. This is a gel highlight again by Sugar. So highlights, eye products, I do carry a eyebrow pencil. This is from Sugar Arc Arrival Brow Definer Jerry Brown. It has a pencil on one side and a spoolie on the other side. Very handy. Again, I do carry a waterproof mascara, very important waterproof mascara. This is from Maybelline Hypercurl. This is a travel pack. Again, a travel pack. I do carry 2 types of eyeliner and kajal. I don't carry a black kajal, black kohl. I carry a blue one. You'll find a lot of Sugar products with me because I love Sugar. So this is a blue one. Beauty. This is a beauty. I love it. It glides on so smooth. This is the Twist and Shout fade proof kajal. Still got the blues. And a brown one. This is the Kohl of Honor Intense kajal, brown bag, 02 brown bag. This is a brown. What happened? Okay, अंदर घुस गया. Okay, this is a brown, beautiful brown. I do like, because I have a brown eye, मुझे हमेशा brown का ज़्यादा पसंद है to put kohl with brown. I really like this. I carry a few lipsticks. I do carry a lip liner. I don't like lip liners, but I carry it. It's just a neutral shade. This is a pink one. This is from Swiss Beauty. So this is a pink lip liner I do carry. I do carry 3 kinds of lipsticks: a pink, a brown and a red. Mostly I use red, but I do carry a pink and a brown. It does do justice to a lot of makeup that I like to do. So makeup is always very simple while traveling. So yeah, these all are the things in front of me, lying a lot of things. So these are the things that I do like to carry for myself whenever I am traveling. It's not necessary कि आप भी वही चीज़ें कैरी करें जो मैं कैरी करती हूँ. मुझे ये पसंद है. I just forgot to mention my makeup fixer spray. Very important when you are going out, because then your makeup will last. So this is when I'm on a holiday. If I'm going out for a wedding or for some functions and parties where I'm going to wear a lot of Indians, तब मेरे makeup bag में I add a colorful palette, eye palette, and a foundation. Very important, a foundation and a colorful eye palette, because वहाँ I had to do a little more of the makeup that I do normally. So yeah, these are the things, and yeah, I'm so happy that I am able to share all these things with you, and I hope you all like it. I hope you all will find some important things that you can also add on to your vanity whenever you are traveling. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for all the love and appreciation, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.